Now the next comes the curvature tool, which is right next to the pen tool. Curvature tool is very similar to the pen tool. The main difference between curvature tool and pen tool is that when you click to make an anchor point and again click and hold and position your second anchor point, and if here you click, you will see the curve line as a guide to draw a curve around so that we can see that how the curve is going to look. So we can adjust this by moving the mouse around until we get the angle that is right for us. Now we click again and it will set an anchor point in the appropriate place and we can continue that curve. Now you can see that on coming back to the first anchor point, it will automatically adjust the curve. Now click to get a closed shape. And of course, with the curvature tool, you can click on any of the anchor points and adjust them like this. So this tool is really helpful in creating a nice shape with the nice smooth points. So you can pull these points around to adjust the angle. And you can even add additional anchor point with the curvature tool. Just click anywhere on the path and you will be able to adjust the additional anchor point. So this is how you can use the curvature tool in Adobe Illustrator.